Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying flight clearance and a quiet takeoff point, then pick your audio method, phone, dedicated recorder, or wireless lavalier, because the drone's onboard mic is limited. Once chosen, connect the recorder to your controller or power it and place it close to the sound source. This captures cleaner material. Make a loud clap or spoken slate visible to the drone camera to create a sync point. Now launch and begin simultaneous recording on both devices without delay. During the flight, position the external mic with wind protection facing the subject and away from prop wash to reduce turbulence noise. Dead cats and small foam shields help a lot. Keep an eye on input meters, aiming for peaks around -12 to -6 decibels so you preserve headroom and avoid clipping. Speak short marker phrases or tap your recorder and film a visible slate to match later. Once you're comfortable with levels and positioning, fly your planned shots while continuously recording audio. When you land, stop the external recorder before powering the drone down to keep clean file stamps. Import both files into your editing software and align them using the clap or visible slate. Waveform sync is reliable and fast. If you encounter wind, prop noise, or low-level issues, apply a gentle high-pass filter, wind reduction tools, and manual spectral repair, or consider automated syncing and replacing with ADR for dialogue. If sync drifts, check recorder sample rates and resample to match the camera.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.